Introducing the Blaupunkt GT100 Vehicle Tracking System. Small but mighty, the GT100 will ensure your vehicle is always safe with its real-time location tracking with real-time alarm notifications sent to your phone. When you receive your GT100, you will be first greeted by the device itself. The relay plug and the relay for the fuel cut-off system. Power cables. Velcro for securing the device. And the user manual. The Blaupunkt GT100 is paired with Blaupunkt Tracker application that is available on both Google Play Store and Apple App Store. The app will allow you to get alarm notifications of your vehicle's location and speed. In any case your vehicle is stolen, you could easily track it down with the app and also cut off the fuel system remotely via the app. Give us a thumbs up if you like this video and follow us for more videos.